As reported on Russian social media on June 12, 2024, an experimental prototype of the A-100 Premier AWACS aircraft is entering the final stage of full-scale testing of the onboard long-range radar detection system under conditions close to combat. Developed by Bereev Aircraft Company in collaboration with the Vega Radio Engineering Corporation, the A-100 can track up to 301 targets simultaneously at distances of up to 550 kilometers. According to available information, the A-100 Airborne Early Warning and Control (AEW&C) aircraft, also known as the ISDELI PM, features a new Vega Premier AESA radar in the dome, based on a passive or active phased array of the S-wave range, potentially incorporating S, X-band or L, S-band waves, and can track up to 301 targets simultaneously. The radar is said to possess a target detection range capable of identifying a target with an image intensifier of 0.1 square meters at 200 kilometers, 3 square meters at 550 kilometers, 0.01 square meters at 110 kilometers, and large surface targets like a destroyer at up to 450 kilometers. The A-100's radar system also includes a scanning mode of the Earth's surface with a synthetic aperture, enhancing its ability to detect and classify ground targets if the X-band is available. Compared to the previous Schmel-M radar system, the noise immunity of this new radar has been increased several times. Equipped with 4 Avid Vigadal phosphorus monosulfide 90A76 turbofans, each producing 142 kilonewtons, 32,000 lbf, of thrust, the A-100's operating radius ranges from 4,250 to 4,750 kilometers, and it can maintain flight for over 10.5 hours without refueling. The new radar system can also function in electronic reconnaissance mode. Similar to the A-50U, the A-100 is equipped with terminals for secure asynchronous data exchange, enabling it to provide target designation for low-altitude targets to Su-30SM-1/2 and Su-35S fighters, as well as ground-based automated control systems for the Pollyanna D4M1 automated control system. This facilitates target distribution between the S-400, S-300V4, and Buck M3A air defense systems, allowing for over-the-horizon interception. The Bereev A-100 Premier is the latest Russian airborne early warning and control (AEW&C) aircraft, developed to succeed the Bereev A-50 mainstay, which has been in service since the mid-1980s. The A-50 itself succeeded the Tupolev Tu-126 MOS, marking an improvement in the Soviet Union's ability to conduct airborne surveillance and command and control operations. The A-100 project was initiated in the early 2010s, aiming to provide the Russian aerospace forces with a modernized platform incorporating the latest radar and avionics technology. The development of the A-100 has encountered several hurdles, including delays caused by international sanctions and technological challenges. The A-100 conducted its maiden flight in November 2017 and has since undergone extensive testing. In February 2022, the A-100 performed its first flight with its radar system fully operational, marking a significant step in the aircraft's capabilities. Despite these advancements, the project has faced delays, with full operational capability and mass production now anticipated to start in 2024. The A-100 is based on the Ilyushin Il-76 Maryland 90A airframe, a modernized version of the Il-76 military transport aircraft. This airframe provides a robust and reliable platform for the A-100's advanced systems. The A-100 is powered by 4 Avid Vigadal phosphorus monosulfide 90A76 turbofan engines, each producing 32,000 pounds of thrust. These engines offer improved fuel efficiency and thrust compared to the older models used in the A-50. One of the defining features of the A-100 is its rotating radar dome mounted on struts above the fuselage. This housing contains the premier Active Electronically Scanned Array (AESA) radar, capable of providing 360-degree coverage. This AESA radar represents a technological leap for Russia, offering enhanced detection, tracking, and electronic countermeasure capabilities. The primary role of the A-100 is to serve as an airborne early warning and control system, similar to the NATO AWACS aircraft like the Boeing E-3 Sentry. The A-100's radar system can detect and track up to 300 targets simultaneously at ranges of up to 550 kilometers for aerial targets and 450 kilometers for maritime targets. This capability is essential for air defense, enabling the coordination of fighter and interceptor aircraft to counter threats efficiently. In addition to its surveillance role, the A-100 can perform command and control functions, directing air, ground, and naval forces during operations. The aircraft is designed to be resistant to electronic jamming and interference, ensuring its effectiveness in contested environments. The A-100's advanced data sharing capabilities enable it to integrate with other Russian military assets, providing a comprehensive situational awareness picture.